Hi everybody, it's Miss Cat here at the Wetaskiwin Public Library. Today we are making a fun frog craft. Let's get started. For this craft you will need your craft kit provided from the library. In the kit you will have half a toilet paper roll, a straw, a pink piece of paper, some googly eyes, and the frog template. What you'll need from home is either glue or tape, some markers, pencil crayons, whatever you'd like to decorate your frog with, and some scissors. First thing we're gonna do is cut out our frog body parts. On our template we have 2 back legs, 2 front legs, and a head. I'm gonna start by cutting out the head. Our next step, once we have our frog body parts cut out, we are going to cut out a little mouth. For that, I kind of pinch his face in half a little bit. And if you need, you can draw a mouth template. Something like that. There we go. Now that we have all of our frog pieces ready to be decorated, time to grab the toilet paper tube, which will be the body of the frog, and we can start coloring. Once your coloring is complete, it's time to grab those googly eyes and stick them on your little frog face. Once her eyes are on and she's all decorated, it's time to glue her together. So I'm going to start with the back legs and stick those to the back of the body. And then I'm going to stick her arms on. And then last but not least, her head. Just make sure that the toilet paper roll isn't covering her mouth so you can stick your tongue in later. Last but not least, we are going to do the frog tongue. So you're going to take your pink piece of paper and curl it up. I'm just going to use the straw to do that quickly. Kind of like that. And then you are going to take some tape and tape your straw to the pink piece of paper. Kind of like that. And then you just slide it in her mouth, just like that. Let's try it out. Thanks for watching our craft video today. I hope your day is riveting.